Guys, this is Prashant Rao, and wanted to address a few questions. I've been getting various comments and questions from people, and some of the questions that I got were, "How often do you trade?" And the answer to that is, as often as I see opportunities. Sometimes I don't see it for days. Sometimes I don't see it for weeks. So it really depends on what I see. The best kind of trade in my mind is where you can just place the trade and simply forget about it. And I sometimes place trade and sit on it for days or weeks or even months in case of certain forex pairs. So it really depends on what you see, what's going on in the market, and where the markets are headed. So I don't have any general rule. I don't like to bound myself by constraints like I need to trade once a day or once a week or whatever it is. The second question that I got was what time frame do you look at? And the answer to that is I generally never look at anything below a daily chart. Prefer to look at weekly, and I do look at monthly to get the perspective, historical perspective on where it's headed. And this applies to all markets and all stocks, whatever I'm trading. So um, some of uh, some of the people, who commented, certainly said they're looking at 15-minute charts, 5-minute charts, and small time frames like that. You just have no idea where the price is headed. And to give you an example, if you take a look at this, let's look at a 5-minute chart. And let's go back in time a little bit. And let's say that you were sitting here uh, at this point in time, and you looked at the chart. You would have thought that prices are going higher, but the next minute, everything comes crashing down, and you're back to where you were. And then it goes sideways, and then starts to go down. So looking at this doesn't really tell you much, but instead, if you looked at a daily, it might tell you something much better. And here you can see it's heading lower. But a weekly would be even better. And here it's clear that it's been heading downwards for a long period of time. And the only likely path for this is for it to go down. And the monthly gives you a full picture. And in this case, I expect this to go all the way down here, looking at the head and shoulders. So longer time frames generally give you a better perspective and help you find opportunities. I generally don't trade anything that has risk reward of less than 1:3. If I'm not making 3 times what I'm risking, it's just not worth the trade. It's better to stay on the sidelines than simply place random bets. So, hope that answers a couple of questions. Thanks again for watching this, and I'll be back with more, and I'll see you next time.